Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who have subscribed so far, and if you subscribe today, I thank you too. Make sure you've pushed that notification bell because I don't just post Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 PM GMT time. I also post the occasional bonus video such as a collab or open invite with a YouTube friend or many YouTube friends, and I hope you enjoy. I'm back today with another fashion DIY, and as I have booked my holiday now, I am looking into holiday clothes and accessories. And you may remember, if you have been following me a long while, that I did a beach hat which said it's 5 PM somewhere in sequins, and I still do have that now. But what I've seen more recently, and what I was going to do for last year, but things didn't work out the way they were meant to, so I'm gonna do it today. So what you need is like it's not wicker, I don't know what to call this, it's not straw, it's a bag like this anyway. I wanted a round one but we didn't find the round one, but I found this one which is from Oasis. It was £10 in the sale, and it's got the minky pink long strap, and obviously the tie is the nudish colour pink with the brown beads. This was £10 like I said, so it is worthwhile in such, you know, so £10 you're not really spending that much money. And then all I'm going to do is embroider on it. And I wanted to go with the pink theme, so it was trying to work out what embroider threads go well enough. So I've got this one which is not, I don't know what that says. That says Trebella, and that's colour 905. I'm not sure where my mum got that from. And then I've got this one which is slightly darker, which goes to, but this one more so. You just need some colour threads, and then you need a hand sewing needle, the finest one possible, but you're going to be doing it quite chunky right in because you want it to stand out. And then I've just got scissors, and you can see the rest as you go along. So we're going to start now. What I want to put on it is either hey girl hey or just hey. If you aren't confident enough just to put it on the bag, please do pencil it out. Me, I am confident enough, I've done stuff like this before, so I'm okay with it. So I want to do hey girl hey, or I might just do hey. So I'm going to do it mostly in the lighter pink, the one that goes more, but the girl bit I'm going to do in the darker pink. And all you need to do is cut your thread, a bit of your thread. So mine's quite long because obviously I want it to last a while. And you're going to use the whole thing, you're not going to split it up. And then just thread your needle. And then in the other end you want to do a knot. If you're not using it on like I want to call it a wicker basket, but it's not a wicker basket. If you're not using it on this like wicker beach-like bag, you're using it on like canvas or something, then, or maybe you'd be able to do this with less thread or whatever. But this is what I'm doing, and also be careful that it doesn't come through the wickery bit. So I'm going to flip you down so you can see what I'm doing, and I'll go through the stitching with you and then carry on doing what I'm doing. In fact, I might turn it around for me, but this is the bag. So you can see mine has got a lining. You don't really want to go through the lining unless you have to. Again, it was £10 in the sale. Was £25 before. But yeah, so if you've written it out, then obviously you go with that. If you haven't, you go like me. And so you literally find where you want to start. Just make sure that the knot goes underneath. Does that make sense? And then I'm just going to make sure the wicker bit is caught, and then I'm just cross stitch, chain stitching. All the way, but I'm going to pull this in tighter so it helps. Can you see that? I hope so, you'll see it anyway. So if you haven't watched any of my other videos, chain stitch is where you go up next to it. You can see I'm trying to catch the wicker as much as I can, because really and truly you need to do that, otherwise it'll just fall apart. Or catch the bottom of it if you know the thing if you want. And I've got a loop. Like so. If you didn't see that there, you can see I'm catching the thread with my thumb, just so it stays as the loop.
Tell me I'm the only one.
There it says, hey girl, hey. It's really noticeable in real life, more so probably than on the camera. But that's what it looks like, and I can't wait to put it on, have it on for around the beach. Obviously just pull that and the strings. These can tuck inside, that's how it was hanging in the shop, or you can have them out if you want. But there you go. I'll just stand up and put it on and show you, but yeah, that's what it's like. So I could either have it like this, I could either just walk it with it like that, or I can have it on. Like so. I don't know why it doesn't show up as much as it does in real life. There you go, look, okay. But yeah, this is probably how I'll have it. Just have my phone and my sunglasses in. But yeah, there we go. Simple and easy. And that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you would write on your bag, like the slogan. And please also subscribe. Push that notification bell to see when I post. Thanks for watching. Bye.